Sorry guys, I forgot to mention that you have to rinse your rice completely before you start this recipe. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Tenisha here from The Virgin Mommy. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. So check it out. Today we are going to cook the infamous cilantro lime rice from Chipotle. So if you guys are interested in learning how to cook this quick, simple, and easy recipe, make sure that you stay tuned. So we're going to start out by making about 8 servings. So we're going to use 2 cups of rice and 3 cups of water here. We are using the Mahatma rice. We're going to season that up with about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, your brand, your choice. Also 1 bay leaf and salt to season. You also want to use a whisk or a fork or something so you can whisk these little ingredients into your rice and start boiling that rice. So here we just have those ingredients that I just mentioned, which are also down below, and you just whisk it into the rice really good so that you can make sure that the flavor goes throughout the rice. So when you're done whisking it, you kind of want it to look like this and let it cook for about 15 minutes, and this is the results. So you just want to take your bay leaves out, and we're going to dump this rice into a bowl so we can add the ingredients and finish up our rice. All right, so here we are dumping the rice in the bowl. And guys, I forgot to mention, but in the very beginning, you want to make sure that you rinse your rice so that it does not stick together like this. So make sure you rinse it clear before you boil it, and I will put that in the comments. Sorry about that. All right, so we're going to add another 2 tablespoons of your extra virgin olive oil into your bowl, if I can get it together, right? And you want to add 1 whole lime squeezed into the rice. And you're going to then add your cilantro. And after you do that, girl, just whip it up, mix it up, make it look all pretty and fancy. Use your salt to season to your liking, okay? It's your rice. It's just Chipotle's recipe. So make it work for you and your family. And this is the results. Enjoy. See you in the next video. But before you leave, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And comment down below when you try this recipe and let me know how you like it.